Hello guys, welcome to our channel Physics by Anuj. We are going to cover a new chapter, that is force and the law of motion. Generally, what is force? To the force, push or pull of an object is considered as a force. Push and pull comes from the object interacting with another. Terms like stretch and squeeze can also be used to denote force. Force is an external agent capable of changing the state of rest or motion of a particular body. It has magnitude and a direction. The direction toward which the force is applied is known as direction of the force, and the application of force is the point where force is applied. So generally, when we pulls anything or the pushes anything, is called force. More about force. कॉमन सिंबल एफ. जनरली हम फोर्स को एफ से डिनोट करते हैं. ऐसा यूनिट न्यूटन. अदर यूनिट डाइन पाउंडल, पाउंड फोर्स, किलो पाउंड. Derivation from other quantity, force equals to mass into acceleration. Dimension. Effect of forces. What the force can do. Force have different effects. If we apply force on object, we can see different effects. Like, force can make a body that is at rest to move. It means when we apply force to an object, to a rest object, it became in motion. Next is, it can stop a moving body or slows it down. When we brakes our car, what happens? When we brakes our car, we apply a force on the car and it slows down. It is the effect of force. It can accelerate the speed of a moving body. It can also change the direction of a moving body with its shape and sizes. When we when we push the balloon, when we squeeze the balloon, it getting squeezed because we are applying force. It changes its shape and also size. Next, this is we will discuss after later, in which in this the main topic is that mass is denoted by m, acceleration is denoted by a, and एक्सेलरेशन क्या होता है. एक्सेलरेशन वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम होता है, यानी चेंज इन वेलोसिटी इज कॉल्ड एक्सेलरेशन. एंड द वेलोसिटी v से डिनोट करी जाती है, टाइम t से करा जाता है. फोर्स को हम ये भी कह सकते हैं मास इनटू एक्सेलरेशन. एक्सेलरेशन वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम, देन फोर्स इक्वल्स टू m इनटू वेलोसिटी अपॉन टाइम. दिस इज अ derivation. Types of force. On the physical causes, there are two type of forces: contact force and नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स. कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स क्या होता है? कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स वो है जिनमें हमारा फिजिकल कॉन्टैक्ट हो, लाइक मस्कुलर फोर्सेस, मैकेनिकल फोर्सेस एंड फ्रिक्शनल फोर्सेस. मस्कुलर फोर्सेस, एज यू सीन दैट द पर्सन इज पुलिंग अप द डंबल, it is exerting a force. It has a physical contact between him and the dumbbell. In mechanical forces, you can see the boy is pulling the rope. He is doing thing by his power, physical power. In the frictional forces is always opposite to the motion. Non-contact force. Non-contact force, the force which do not have physical contact, is called non-contact force. Like gravitational force. Gravitational force is everywhere present, and the electrostatic force is caused due to the charges. As you have seen that when we rub our scale and comes closer to the paper, the paper gets generally attracted by the scale because of charges, because the comb or the scale get charged. And magnetic force, as you know, magnet attract magnetic material. There is no hour contact. Thank you. This will be discussed in next classes. Thank you for tuning with us. Stay tuned, stay alert.